Well, this is new. Hello, welcome to my October vlog. I have so far been failing horribly with actually vlogging. Sorry if you can hear my husband in the background, he's playing a game. He's adorable, so I'm not going to interrupt him. It's more than halfway through the month now, and I haven't filmed anything. I missed a golden opportunity of doing a couple of things for this vlog, but I did not do them. First of all, my husband and my mom and I visited the La Brea Tar Pits. We also went to the outdoor exhibit at LACMA, and we went to, what is it called? The Grove and the first farmer's market, or the original farmer's market. It's all right next to the Grove, and that would have been wonderful, great. But I was so busy having fun that I forgot to whip out my phone and film anything. I'm hungry, and I'm going to be making something that I really like to make during the fall season. So what I'm going to be doing is making poached pears. So I've never filmed in the kitchen cooking before, so this is going to be an experience for everyone involved. Let's do that. You can definitely have more than one if you want. I'm just not really that hungry, but I am hankering for something sweet, which this definitely is. So I'm going to wash my pears and then move on to the next. So the next thing we need to do, apparently, is peel these pears. I don't always do that. I'm going to try and actually follow all of the steps, so I'm going to do that. Here in the state of California, you're not allowed to throw out your food scraps. You have to compost them. So I'll be throwing all the peels away in this little compost bin. We don't actually compost anything. It's not something I've gotten into. So this is just kind of like a holding bin until it's full. Then we move it into the green bin that Long Beach has for us to use, and we just drag it out with the trash. So that's what this is, in case you're wondering what I'm doing. All right, the instructions say the next thing is to just put the pears with the amount of water that is required into a pot. This is my pot. I put the pears straight in here when I was peeling them, or when I was done peeling them, rather. 1.5 cups of water. This is for 5 pears though, so just to make things easier on myself, I'm just gonna half everything. So 1/2 of a 1.5 cups is 3/4 cup. So that's how much water I'm going to put into this pot. Got my Pyrex 3/4. It is right there for me. Add sugar, cinnamon, star anise, and vanilla. So 1/2 cup of sugar becomes a 1/4 cup of sugar. All right, 1/4 cup. There's no standard size for a cinnamon stick, so maybe I'll just find a little one. That's itty bitty. We'll use that one. I love the way star anise smells. It reminds me of licorice. There. It's a little guy. We'll use that. Do you ever watch cooking videos and they show like the B-roll of how their pantries are, or there's like a whole subgenre of videos that are restock my pantry with me, or restock my bathroom cabinet with me, and everything is all in like perfect rows, and like nothing's half eaten or anything like that? Like, my organization in my pantry is non-existent, and it's constantly cycling through because we use them. Like, this is like almost done. We've got maybe a 1/4 left, and then I'll have to go and buy more, and so there's just a constant in and out. After it's boiling, bring it down to a simmer. It has to simmer for about 1/2 hour. So I put the pears here on their sides, and then as the time goes by, I actually will get in here with some tongs and I'll turn them so that I'm sure that each side gets dipped in the sugar water mixture for at least a few minutes. That way it's thoroughly soaked, although I will cover it so that it will always be getting steamed throughout the entire boiling and simmering process. But I don't know, I feel like turning it helps. I hit play and I didn't mean to. I guess it doesn't really matter. We're all here now. So now we just wait for that to boil. Don't mind us. We're playing, what is this called? The Dark Castle or something? It's seasonally appropriate. Oh, by the way, this is my husband. How'd you feel about the pear?
It was really good, thank you.
Even though it was burned?
It's like syrup.
It's like syrup. All right. Hello, my name is Samantha. This is my dog Brutus. He is not interested in looking at the camera right now, but that's okay. I just woke him up from a nap. So this is us. Would you like to be rich and famous? To be Hollywood star, Brutus? Yes? He's so sleepy. Have we got the itchy? We got the itchy nose. No. Yes. Brutus, are you comfortable?